Hello Art Beaters, Becky here for artbeats.com, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today we're taking a look at new Damyanah Studio stoneware beads and pendants. There's some lovely designs in this collection, and I've paired them up with some matching beads to get you inspired to start using these pieces in your jewelry designs. So let's dive in. So pretty. So new this week, we have got new Damyanah Studio handmade stoneware pendants and beads. These are all hand-painted pieces of art. I love Damyanah's style. Damyanah is the name of the creator behind these pieces. She's just got such a great artistic eye and style. And we've got nice pieces that kind of go together in this launch. So let's start with these wonderful faces. I love them. So these are all stoneware, hand-painted by Damyanah. So gorgeous. So we've got this wonderful face that's kind of peeking out towards the side, and you can see the stringing holes up here, so you can add jump rings or string right on. Nice little stamp from the creator. Beautiful. And I love this one, this kind of side profile half moon shape. I think that's just so fun. These are such great statement pieces for your jewelry. Hi, Anne. Good to see you. So pretty. And since we're talking about pearls today, I just had to match these all up with different prestige crystal pearl colors. So for the faces, I matched them up with some cream rose pearls. I love the neutral kind of color tone of the face pendants, so I was thinking of that when picking pearls. We have really nice cream colors available. We've got cream rose light, but I thought that the cream rose was just this nice, it has this nice hint of blush, and you can see that the girls in the pendants, they all have like little blushed rosy cheeks. So I thought that just really spoke to the kind of creamy neutral colors of the pendants. They work really well together. And if you're looking for more inspiration, I actually created some collections to go along with these little launches here from Damyanah Studio. So what I've done is I've paired up these different little collections with matching beads at artbeads.com. So I've got a link to that in the video description. It includes these pearls, and then it also includes some other items that I thought would match well with these pieces. So make sure to check that out. Some nice little shopping inspiration for you. I'm loving these peacocks. These peacock pendants and beads are so pretty. That bright yellow background just makes the blues and the turquoise of the peacocks really pop. And that's available in a few different styles. We've got the bead here. So cute. I love it. I love this trapezoid shape too. I think that's so fun, so different. And when I saw this one, I knew immediately that I had to pair it with the Crystal Iridescent Dark Blue Pearl. Just this rich royal blue, because peacocks are very regal. So I was like, oh, it has to be a dark royal blue color. And the Crystal Iridescent Dark Blue Pearl is just perfect. And it's got this wonderful sheen to it. It almost reminds you of like that velvety sheen of a peacock. So really nice match there with the iridescent dark blue pearls. I love these hedgehogs. They're very cottagecore, very fall, very whimsical. They're so cute. They're just cute little hedgehogs about to eat an apple. So sweet. I love them. And I love the background colors on those because there's really fun colors you can pick up on. You've got a little bit of orange, a little bit of coral, a little bit of yellow back there. Great fall colors. And then of course you can also pick up on that red and the browns of the actual hedgehogs. So what I did for these, I paired them with Velvet Brown because it's one of my favorites. I thought that would look nice with the brown colors that you can see on the hedgehog. So super cute. And then it keeps that focus on those bright colors in the pendants and beads. So super cute. I love those together. And I look at up close, just the details on these are amazing. Again, these are all hand painted. So sweet. I love the little hedgehog style. Really loving this tulip design as well. There's something really nostalgic about this one to me. It just feels like super cheerful and super, there's something like kind of 90s about this to me, which is my childhood. So I love it. It's super sweet. And the speckles and the little like details at the top of the flower, so cute. And the colors on this one are really nice. Just soft pinks, maroons, and then those nice little pops of leafy greens. So I thought I really like the soft colors here. I wanted a nice contrast for this one. So I actually chose our Burgundy Prestige Crystal Pearl, which I thought was a really nice contrast to this like really soft, almost blush pink, and then that kind of darker, almost like a mauve color. So I thought the Burgundy Pearl was a really nice match to this cute tulip design. I love that one. I want to make jewelry with that one. I want to make jewelry with all of these. And then the ladybugs are so sweet. Just love all of the texture and the designs in the background. And then the ladybugs themselves look super whimsical with their little curly Q antenna. So cute. I had to pair this one with the Scarabaeus Green Pearl because you've got all those rich green colors in the background. And then there's something kind of beetly about the Scarabaeus Green Pearl that really matches the theme here well. It's very Enchanted Garden when you add in the Scarabaeus Green Pearls. So loving how those ones are working together. Thanks, Anne. Love the color pearl choices you made. Thanks. I think they turned out really nicely, these pairings that I have here. And then we've got these new cherry blossom pieces. These are gorgeous. And this is like not your typical cherry blossom piece. You expect to see like soft pink when we're talking about cherry blossom pieces. I love that she's added in that deeper red and those darker pink tones too with the traditional soft pink. I think that's such a unique take on cherry blossom art. And truly, these are pieces of art because they're all hand painted. I think that's an incredible choice, and I love it. It makes it stand out. It catches the eye. It's just really beautiful. I did love the powder rose crystal pearls with these pieces. I thought that was a nice. Typically you're talking about like a pastel pink when you're talking about cherry blossoms, but these are darker tones, which I love. And the powder rose is just a little bit of a darker pink, still soft, still delicate, but just a little richer, a little darker. I also think that you could pair this one with with the Crystal Rouge Pearl, and that would just look beautiful. Possibly even both. Yeah, that would be beautiful. So yeah, don't be afraid to pair this one with the Crystal Rouge Pearl because of that nice red background there. So really beautiful. I really love this cherry blossom set because it is so different. It stands out. Gorgeous. And I think cherry blossoms are typically associated with spring, but because of that nice red background, I think this one works for winter and fall as well. So carry those cherry blossoms into the seasons, into the fall and winter with you. So beautiful. So those are our new Damyanah pieces. Really loving them, especially with these crystal pearls. They just match up so well with some of those colors. So I can't wait to work with some of these. They're really lovely. Oh, I think you could even, now that I've got all of these laid out together, I think the Scarabaeus green would look really good with the tulip as well because you've got those green leaves. And that might completely change your design. So it's really fun to just kind of play around with these different colors. Especially when you have such fun designs to work with that are on display in these Damyanah Studio pieces. So these are new, available at artbeads.com right now. Again, I've set up and I've chosen little collections of beads and other items to go around these little groups, and I've got a link to that. So I've picked out items to go with the faces, picked out items to go with the peacocks, picked out items to go with all of these different collections from Damyanah Studio to get you inspired to create and shop. And I did want to show you some more inspiration from Damyanah Studio, from our design studio. So these pieces have instructions and supplies lists to kind of get you inspired to start creating. I love the bold size of the Damyanah Studio pieces, and they really just showcase well. So what I did here is I just made beaded links with smaller check glass fire polished beads and rounds, and then let the Damyanah pieces stand out as the stars at the center. And I just love how these really just draw the eye. So that's a really fun little necklace that I made in black and blue colors, very dramatic. And then this is a fun fall piece if you're wondering how to use some of those half moon pendants. What I did here was I made a beaded link. This one's actually on jewelry wire. Just a short little beaded link on jewelry wire, connected it to a chain necklace with this other layer of Anna Braun's fall charms that I thought matched the Damyanah Studio pendant nicely. So you can layer up here. They're just so beautiful in all kinds of different designs. So that is our Damyanah Studio collection. Lots of beautiful pieces that look gorgeous with crystal pearls. They'll look great with all kinds of beads, check glass, seed beads, metals. Just they look great with all kinds of different pieces, and they are all hand painted. Just beautiful works of art for your jewelry making. So definitely check those out. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and inspiring. Please make sure to leave a like and a comment. We love hearing from you guys. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so you're the first to know when videos like this are out. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.